This is the largest non-confidential settlement relating to Uber. We've never heard of a larger one.
Ben was a passenger in an Uber because he'd gone to a party, he'd had a few drinks, wasn't safe to drive. He gets into the backseat of an Uber. That Uber driver gets into a really bad crash, causes the crash. It's his fault. Ben leaves that Uber to go to the hospital.
Ben recovers as best as he can.
We tried to settle the case for much less than what it ended up settling for. We told them, in exchange for the policy limits, we will dismiss the case.
That seems fair. You give us money, the lawsuit's over. What else do you need?
Uber said no. Okay, well, that's an easy decision for us. We file a lawsuit. And one of the ways that we thought we might be able to put some pressure on Uber is to include Uber as a defendant. We have a judgment against the driver. That judgment can be $5 million. But if the driver doesn't have $5 million, which if they're an Uber driver, they don't.
And we don't want to get $5 million from a dude who's driving an Uber. He was working for someone else. The company's responsible for their employees. We make the $900,000 offer because we feel good about it. All we say to them is, you give us the 900, we will not sue you any longer, and we won't sue you again for this. And they say yes.
At some point, they realized that they had agreed to an offer that did not include confidentiality.
When Uber comes to us and says, we want confidentiality, we say to them, sure, so long as you pay more money.
And they weren't willing to do that.